baby girl. Oh, you are so cute. Are you cold? Papa. Okay, Papa.
What was that?
Hey, Papa. She asked for me, ran by me, and asked for you. Leave on the bomber. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Wave to him.
Hi, Daddy.
Say goodnight, Daddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Love you.
Love you.
Look at
Hi, is that you? Hello? Did you ring the doorbell? Hello? Dad's right here. You need to talk to Dad on the doorbell. He's right here in person.
Can I help you?
No.
No? What are you doing at my door?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you trying to order a fry?
And
And meat?
beep, beep, beep. Bye.
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 He said,
Hello. Hello, I'm Allie. Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies? What kind would you like? My favorite kinds are the purple kind. What is yours? Well, you can buy them $5 in each. So, would you like one? Or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? Or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10? I don't know, maybe 11, 12. Well, it's a lot. And I just wanted to say, I'm a Girl Scouter. Getting Girl Scout cookies, selling them. And what's your favorite color? Because the boxes are those colors. Then maybe your favorite color, and the box is that color, and then you can choose it. And then, well, yeah. So, would you like to buy any? I have all of the kinds. Thank you. Don't forget for buying Girl Scout cookies.
Say, I love you, Daddy. I love you.
Look what Mom's got. I bet it's for your sister. Your sister's not even here yet. She's already blowing my money. You didn't cost me this much money. Yeah. I have a daughter, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You're gonna blow your money, they said.
Hi, guys. How you doing?
Come here. They're my boys. I miss you guys. I was so happy to see you. I couldn't wait.
Hi, Daddy. Into the camera. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Ring the doorbell. No, Simba, stay. Ring the doorbell. Hi, Daddy.
Who?
Hi, Daddy. Hi,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What are you guys doing? Is it raining?
Hi, Dad.
Hi. What are you doing?
Love you.
Love you.
Compilation. Yeah.
Bye. Have a good day. Love you, Pumpkin Butt. Are you gonna lose your tooth today?
Mom.
What?
My 6th tooth. And I put it under a cloth so that the cats don't eat my teeth.
You lost your tooth?
Yeah?
Pumpkin. Good job. I love you.
Bye.
Have a good day at school. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Sweet boy. Hi, Sadie.
Mommy, I get you.
Hi, Sadie. I love you.
You're in the house there.
Yep, I'm in the house.
Let's see you again.
Just come inside and you can see me. I love you.
Yeah. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Bye.
I see my mom.
Huh?
This is my mom.
All right, come in real quick.
It's my mom.
I know. You have to come in just real quick.
Hello, it's me and Winnie, not Lindley this time. Hey, Joey. It's Joey and Winnie. Joey and Winnie. And we have cookies and pickles for you guys. Yeah. We'll leave them on your doorstep just in case you're not home. If you're not home, then we will just leave.
Got it? Hazel. Hazel, say bye, Mama. Say bye, Mama. Good job. Say bye, Mama. Say bye. I'm going to school.
Bye, baby girl.
Oh. Hi. Hi, baby. They're saying hi from the door. Hi, Papa. Oh, look, she's all happy. Hi, baby. Good morning. You're awake now, Papa?
Hi. Bye, bebé. Bye. ¿Te portas bien, ok, papá? Bye.
Mommy.
Hi. That. What do you need out there?
This.
Ew. Is that a snake?
It's dead.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm going to take a picture. Oh my gosh.
It was dead when the garage was closing.
What? And you're just holding it in your hand?
Daddy found it.
What would you like?
Mama,
Yes?
I love you.
I love you too.
You're the best mommy I ever had.
Aww.
Okay, goodbye, Mama.
Bye.
Hi, Dad. I hope you have a safe flight.
Hey, kiddo.
Hi, Daddy.
How
I
you
hope
doing,
you have
buddy?
a safe. I hope you have a safe flight.
Thanks, buddy. I hope you have a wonderful day. You look marvelous.
Thank you.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Cool. I'm about to board here in a minute.
Oh, then I don't want to bother you.
Oh, you're not a bother, kiddo. You know that. Anything else you got to say? You gonna be good today?
Yeah, I'm going to be good today.
All right, kiddo. I love you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.